Bayes theorem. Suppose if A1, A2, A3, An form a partition of the sample space S and A is any other events, then probability of AI divided by A is equal to probability of AI into probability of A divided by AI whole divided by summation of I equal to 1 to n probability of AI into probability of A divided by AI. So proof of the Bayes theorem. So in this sample space, so here we can partitioning the A such as A1, A2, A3, A4 up to AI or An, and this partition can be denoted as S is equal to. So S equal to A1 union A2 union A3 up to union An, and here A is a subset of set S or sample space S. Now we have to taking intersection of A on both sides. So S intersection of A and A1 union A2 union up to union An intersection of A. So we've taken the intersection of A on left hand side and right hand side here. And S intersection of A is denoted as capital A. So now we will apply the distribution law for these two terms here. So A1 intersection A union A2 intersection A union A3 intersection A up to union An intersection A according to the distribution law. So now take the probability on both sides. So probability of A is equal to probability of A1 intersection A. So union symbol can be replaced by positive sign or plus sign. So plus probability of A2 intersection A and so on plus probability of An intersection A. So then we will apply the multiplication rule here. So in previous class we will discuss the multiplication rule here. So if A intersection B, then its multiplication rule is probability of A into probability of B divided by A. So similarly probability of A1 intersection A become probability of A1 into probability of A divided by A1 plus similarly probability of A2 intersection A become probability of A2 into probability of A divided. So probability of A2 intersection A become probability of A2 into probability of A divided by A2, so on. So probability of An into probability of A divided by An. So this whole term can be shortly denoted by using the summation sign here. So I varies from 1 to n, probability of AI into probability of A divided by AI, where I values are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n here. Say this one as equation number 1. So then we using the conditional probability of AI for any I given A is defined by, so probability of AI divided by A. So according to conditional probability, AI divided by A become probability of AI intersection A divided by probability of A. So which is equal to, again apply the multiplication rule to numerator term here. So probability of AI intersection A become probability of AI into probability of A divided by AI whole divided by P of A. So in denominator again we will substituting the result of P of A. So P of A is summation of P of AI into P of A divided by AI. So if you substitute equation 1 in denominator term, so you'll get it the Bayes theorem, probability of AI by A is equal to P of AI into P of A by AI divided by summation of P of AI into P of A by AI, where I is equal to 1 to n. So proof is very simple. So first one, partition the event A1, A2, An, then add intersection of A on both sides, then apply multiplication rule and conditional probability. So then we'll get it the Bayes theorem. So now we'll solving the examples by Bayes theorem. First example on Bayes theorem. So in a factory there are three machines A, B, C which respectively produces 25%, 35% and 40% of the total production. So out of 25% production, so 5% are defective. Similarly, out of 35%, 3% are defective, and in 40% of production, 2% are defective. So if an item is selected at random and is found to be defective, then find the probability that it was produced by machine A. So here we will calculating the probable value of the machine A will produces the defective items here. Now the solution, let A, B, C stands for the events or selection of an items from the machine A, B, C. So machine A produces 25% of the items, and out of this 5% are defective. So here D defective, so it is denoted as P of A equal to 25 divided by 100. So 25% means out of 100%, that is 25 by 100, or out of 100 become 0.25. So similarly, second machine that produces 35% production, so percentage means out of 100, so 35 by 100, 0.35, and similarly 40% is 40 divided by 100, which gives 0.4. Now we will calculating the defective items here. So D denotes the defective items, selection of defective items here. So it is denoted as probability of D by A. So machine A produces the defective items, is denoted as P of D by A. So D by A is 5%. So 5% is again 5 divided by 100 is equal to 0.05. P of D, probability of D by B, that is 3%. So 3 divided by 100, 0.03, and last one is 2%. So probability of D by C, 0.02. Now to find the probability that selected item is produced from the machine A, and we need to calculate probability of A divided by D. So in the problem they will mention that the defective item is produced by machine A. So therefore we will using probability of A by D. So A by D is P of A into P of D by A. So apply the multiplication rule for probability of A by D. So it is in this formula. So in denominator again we will using the probability, applying multiplication rule for probability of D by A, D by B and D by C, which use P of A into P of D by A, P of B into P of D by B, P of C into P of D by C. Then substitute the value of P of A, P of B, P of C, P of D by A, D by B and D by C. then simplify, we'll get it the total defective items produced by machine A, which is 0.4032. Second example, in a certain college 4% of men students and 1% of women students are taller than 1.8 meter. Further, 60% of the students are women. If a student is selected at random and is found taller than 1.8 meter, what is the probability that the student is woman? So in a particular school or college or XYZ college, there are 60% of the women students or girl students. So remaining is 40%. So 40% are men students or boys students here. So P of W denotes probability of selecting the female students, and P of M denotes probability of choosing the male students. So probability of women students are 60%. So 60 means out of 100. So 60 by 100, 0.6. And probability of men students are 40. So 60% girls means remaining are 40%. 40% of boys here. So 40 by 100, 0.4. Now A is the event of selecting the students. So probability of A divided by W means probability of choosing the student who is taller than 1.8 meter. So in out of 60 students, there are 1% of the girl student who is taller than 1.8 meter, and it is denoted as probability of A divided by W as 1 divided by 100, which use 0.01. So similarly, out of 40% of the boy students, 4% students are taller than 1.8 meter. So it is denoted as probability of A divided by M. So probability of A by M is 4%, or 4 by 100 is 0.04. So now calculate probability that the student is woman. So in woman student, we will calculating possible number of students they will taller than 1.8 meter. Means we will calculating probability of W divided by A. So apply the multiplication rule. So according to multiplication rule, W by A become P of W into P of A by W whole divided by P of W into P of A W. Then use the men students A by W as probability of M into probability of A by M into probability of A divided by M. Then substitute the value of above term A by W, A by M, and P of W and P of M here. So which use the total number of taller students in girls group, 0.2727. Third example, there are three typists A, B, C, and they will type 50%, 30%, 20% of the pages. And in this 50, 30 and 20, there are defective pages here, that is 3%, 4% and 5% respectively. If a page is selected from the book at random, so what is the probability that it is defectively typed and it is typed by typist A? So solution, here A, B, C denotes the typist here, and they will type the number of pages. So P of A means probability of typist A, they will type the page as 50%. So 50% means 50 by 100, 0.5. Then second typist, that is typist B. B is 30 by 100, 0.3. And third one is typist C, 20%. So 20 by 100 is 0.2. Now we'll considering capital E means the event of selecting the defectively typed pages. So 3% defective by typist A. It is denoted as probability of E by A. So 3 by 100 is 0.03. So 4% defective pages typed by typist B, that become E by B. 4 by 100 is 0.04. So similarly 5% is 5 by 100. Now we'll calculating the defective pages typed by the typist A, means we'll calculating probability of A by E. So apply the multiplication rule for A by E, which is P of A into P of E by A. So similarly apply multiplication rule to probability of E by B and E by C, and which is taken in denominator. Then finally substitute the value of E by A, E by B, E by C, P of A, P of B and P of C, and simplify. We get it the total number of defective pages typed by the machine typist A. So which is 0.4054. So these are the few examples on Bayes theorem.